Absence reports allow parents to submit a form with the reason behind the absence of their child for an event. You can report your child's absence by accessing the required calendar event and clicking the Report Absence button. The Report Absence form opens with pre-filled details of the event. You can also click the Report Absence button by accessing the event from your child's profile overview page and full calendar page. Enter the reason for child's absence for the event and attach one or more supporting documents for the leave, if required. Then, click the Report Absence button to submit the absence report. You can check absence report for a classroom by accessing its attendance page from your child's profile overview page. You can also check the submitted absence reports for all your child across all the classrooms together from the Absence Reports tab. You can also filter the absence report on the basis of their attendance status.